We got this 4.5 pound bass here on this swim bait on this jig trailer. They're biting pretty good. And you guys want to see some more? Check out Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoors.
Me too. Got one right here.
Here, hang on.
Okay.
We'll do the YouTube experience. Ready?
Okay.
Fish on, Bill.
Fish on. All right.
Totally staged. I got some on YouTube.
Yeah, we both caught one. Oh yeah. So Clint and I were out here fishing. Let's see if we catch any fish. Yeah. I like these kayaks with those chairs in it. They can take in and out. Yeah. It's a good thing, like if you're at the beach or go down the river, take it out and then you have a chair. Yeah. Sit at the little fire pit or a fire.
And that one really died down, didn't it?
It sure did. That makes a lot.
Nice and still right now. Nice and still. It's just perfect. It's a good day to fish.
Sure is.
Yeah, I watched that Richard Jean the fishing machine, and he catches crappie on this shad.
Oh yeah.
Little bitty baby shad jig.
Oh.
And I put these little crappie nuggets on there. I figured I'd try them out. This is the first time I ever use them. I usually use bass lures and catch bass and crappie together.
Oh yeah. I always use these power bait shad thing. I catch about everything with it. Even catfish.
Yeah, I've caught 8-pound catfish on these little crappie bites.
That's awesome.
They love these things. It wouldn't surprise me if I hooked into a channel. Man, this is pretty back here. This is nice to be able to get back in here on some water.
Yep, sure is.
This is just nice. Well, let's see if the crappie book's right. I'm gonna go get it.
I like this cutout right up through here. It's kind of rocky with all the trees there. Kind of cool looking. Cool look. Got myself tied off of that anchor thing right there. On this side of the lake, goes a little bit. Oh. Yeah, some ice back here. And there's another road go to this side. Let's go paddle on the ice, see what it does with the kayak. Break part of it up. Over there? Oh, cool.
You can go in from that way, and there's a sewer. Yeah, I think this is where we camped.
Oh, cool.
This was years ago. Man, I can't believe there's still ice back there.
Yeah.
This looks like a good spot up here.
Maybe that's where the fish are at. Mark the spot.
This connected to it, but I guess not.
Pretty stable, huh?
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
That's why I like this one you can stand up in.
Yeah, that's neat. Yeah, that's a nice one. You can catch big catfish up there.
That's right. Big old shark.
Yeah.
It's for ocean fishing.
Yeah. Big one.
That's my goal. Take this kayak and catch me a shark off of it when I go up there, Texas or somewhere one of these days. Nope, not buying today, but oh well, get out indoor and enjoy it, the weather,
Yeah, really.
before we have to go work.
Yeah. Nice still having a couple days after this.
That's right. I'll film me too. Filming each other.
No crappie today.
No crappie today.
Oh well.
Oh well. The best part, just get away, right?
Oh yeah. Nice
That's right. Filming each other.
No crappie today. Oh well.
Oh well. Best part, just get away, right?
Oh yeah. Nice February day.
That's right.
Nice and warm.
This is number 2 strip hit we're in now. We already got down number 1. Now we're in number 2.
There's still a whole nother part that we haven't even explored.
It's back the other way too, huh?
Yeah.
There is a tree limb right there. Oh, right there. Got it. Woo! So how far you think the other one is? They're just these two here.
The other side, back where our trucks were,
Uh-huh.
it's just as long as this one, but it goes the other way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, this would be a nice one to explore.
Yeah, there's a fork here, and you can go either way.
Yeah.
Is that an island? That looks like an island, no.
Wow.
There's the end over there. Okay, yeah. So it does the island here, and then it ends right there.
Okay.
Wow, this is cool. I wish I had a fish finder just to see how deep it was.
I'll have to bring mine next time. This is a good quality one. High entrant. Ah. That is a big island, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an island.
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool.
Tie it off and have a hammock up there. Go camping. Yeah, this is an island. I'll go all the way around. Big old island right here. Tie your kayak off over here with one of these trees. Go up there and, well, I think those are poison ivy. Maybe not. Oh. There it is. Island. Round circle the whole island right here. Island. Cool. Wow. Look at that. You can camp up there. Yeah. Ah.
Wow. Man, this is way bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
And that other side, it's this long. It's just on the other side.
Be cool to explore next time we come out here.
Yeah. I think it's cool.
And we're not having hit all the others out here. There's so many out here.
There's a lot.
There's a lot. A lot to explore.
Well, there's a lake over there.
And then, oh yeah, that lake too.
So across the highway,
Yeah.
you come in, there's another strip pit up there on the north side.
On this north side, huh?
Yeah. It's a smaller one, but it's still pretty big.
Huh, cool.
Kind of blocking the way.
Yeah, there's a big tree blocking. Yeah, that big old tree blocking it. Might be something to look into doing, huh?
It's closed at the time. You might have to do the designated camping area.
Huh?
I don't know if they get done out there.
Kansas one is no big deal. I don't know what the laws here. That's
Missouri fly. They do, they have time limits, and then you have to be in like a designated camp area.
oh, okay. So it's a little different than Kansas.
Yeah, Kansas is, I miss living in Kansas because everything seemed a lot more relaxed.
Yeah.
Missouri's kind of strict.
Spring.
Did you get one? What'd you get, a bass? Here, I got my GoPro on. Oh, nice bass. Is that a black bass? So we can keep him, huh? Really?
Not very deep.
Huh. Yeah. Cool. I got the camera on you.
Oh. Almost lost that in the water. This thing has strength. There we go.
All right.
All right, look at that.
That's a keeper. I think, I don't, was it 12 to 15 inches?
Was it 12 or 13?
I think it was 12 to 15 inches.
12 to 15.
I think so. Was the release?
Yeah,
I think,
release back in.
yeah.
Take a quick picture of it. Oh, you want to take a picture of the phone?
Sure.
Yeah. Woohoo! Black bass, here we go. Yeah. Woo! Look at that black bass. Oh yeah. This Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Come on. I got me a bass out here in Missouri. Woohoo! I get, hold on, I'll have to get this going. Hold on, where it is, it? Oh yeah. Got one. Got me a black bass. And I can see why they call it black bass. Got the stripes black all the way down the side. Pretty cool. There you go. All right, cool. Turn it around so you can see. Yeah. Yep, black bass. I see why they call it, because you see the stripes of blacks on them. I haven't measured it yet. I caught it right there. Not very deep. Huh. Pretty cool. A little action and put it back in the water. Let's see if we can get that over there. Get that out of the way. There she goes. There we go.
Oh.
Yep.
I bet there's some big ones back here. You know nobody fishes back in here.
Yeah.
You know? So, I mean, there's just no way to the water except by kayak or canoe.
Yep.
You can't get big boats in here because there's no ramp.
No ramp. Nope. Not for
I
big
bet
boats.
there's some big ones back here, man.
Perfect for kayaks.
Oh, perfect.
Still got a little bit of snow left. I bet some bass right up in here where all these timbers. May have to try it out here in a little bit.
You know what would be cool is to put one of these in a pool
Yeah,
and learn your boundaries. You know, where how far you can lean without tipping and stuff.
that'd be good.
That'd be pretty cool. Oh yeah, they have a motel right across the way over here.
Across where?
Across the highway over there. There's a little small cowboy-looking motel.
Oh, really?
It's called Apache Motel or something.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a little small place. I bet rooms are probably like $80 a night, maybe.
That might be what we need to do, huh? Be out here,
Yeah,
stay a few days.
yeah, that'd be cool.
Well,
I
you
live
don't
like
have
20
to.
minutes away.
You don't have to because you live what 20 minutes.
Yeah. So,
But for me,
but I would drive out here and meet you.
yeah, for me it'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Since I got about an hour and a half or a little longer, hour 40 minutes or something.
Yeah.
Got one?
I thought I got a bite earlier, but got one.
All right.
Oh, where's my GoPro?
I got it on mine.
You got it?
Bring it in. There you go. Look at that. Look big.
Black bass. Yep, black bass.
Clint got his first big bass, black bass.
First bass of the year.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Nice. Woo! Oh, yeah. That's Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. We both got our black bass today. Woo!
That's a nice one.
That is nice.
Let me I'll come back.
I'll take a picture on the phone, too. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nice, nice. I just barely have battery left.
First bass of the year.
That's right. All right.
Yeah. First bass of the year. Black bass. Peabody Conservation.
All right. Let me take a picture of it now. Try not to tip you over.
Yeah.
I got my... Okay. Let me get it.
All right. I'm gonna take a picture. Well, he's probably keeping, but I think I might throw him back. He's probably keep worthy. Yeah, I caught him in that canal.
Yeah. That's what that one guy always told me. Yeah. That's awesome. So you can see it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get back a little bit. There you go.
Alright. You can edit it to where it shows him leaving.
Yeah.
Alright. Goodbye, my friend. I'll catch you again one of these days. You ready?
Ready.
Taking a minute to get used to it.
There he goes.
Live to fight another day.
Living another day. That's awesome.
Sweet.
Cool. Oh yeah, look, that looked nice. There's the sunset. Beautiful, beautiful day fishing. We both caught our black bass each. I missed another one. He missed another one. But what a day. What a beautiful day. That's awesome. That's why I love kayaking fishing. Even if you don't like fishing, you can enjoy kayaking, explore. Well, I'm glad you're here on the adventure of Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. I'm glad you're here and enjoying the time and watching the videos. Hey, keep on watching and keep on enjoying my videos. We'll do some more adventures later on. Woo! Oh yeah!